What's up, everybody? Master Gamer Deluxe, and today I'm going to be showing you the quietest air horn ever. Now you might want to get close to it because you won't be able to hear it. Let's go. Pop, pop. So put your ear really close to the screen so you can hear it. Okay? Once you get it there, I'm going to count down. 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You better have your ear next to that screen, and let's get to it. See, look at this itty bitty baby. That's it. That if I go any further down, you're just gonna see my bed. So, got it really close to it. Good. You should.
We're going to tell you some good news.
No. You're gonna hear the quietest air horn ever. So get ready. Get set.
You're controlled!
My dog knocked my phone all over. You get that? Look, pop, pop. Here, let's show your eyes. You get it. See? Here, cameraman, hold it. Hold it towards me. See? Look, he hates it. Chill, baby. You about to bite my face off. Actually, if you want to pee everyone off, you can buy these at Dollar Tree.
For $1.
Obvious, Connor. See you in the next